Okay guys, well just very shortly I want to show you what I changed or took out of the gravity light. First thing I did, I disengaged the clutch. Okay, the actually see how it steps down. Okay, so I'm riding, the flywheel is riding now on the very bottom of it. Instead of changing gear, this thing was actually going up and down using this kind of a gizmo, sort of elliptical kind of yeah, almost like an Audi kind of a clutch or transmission. Same principle, you know, with the Triptronics. Anyway, so right now it's going to be a single speed. This flywheel is still a weak spot. We'll change that and gear it up directly as gears to the motor. Okay, and then what I had to do, I had to redesign this spring. That one was a weak spot. Here's the one that I made, and anyways, here are some parts that I took out. This was the overload spring, but I can protect it. Instead of protecting it mechanically, I can protect the circuit electronically. The micro switch, LED, was some kind of dropping resistor in there. But taking all that out of here also gave me a room that if I want to put a little bit of electronics in it and keep the same size, I can do that. I talked to one of those Czech engineers, and he suggested to go ahead and instead of using a DC motor as a generator, he said, how about if you tried to go ahead and put an AC generator in it? And so I did some calculations, and he may be right. It may be a good idea, even though that there's going to be a little tiny penalty at the end where we would have to rectify it back for the LEDs and USB 5-volt output for the phone charging. Still, even considering that little load to rectify it back to DC, the AC generation is way more efficient, and I would say as far as the efficiency, it would overcome that little penalty at the end. The one thing that I really like by doing all of these changes, when I got the light, the running time was 18 minutes, and right now I'm at 30 to 32 minutes per pull. Okay, so I have to pull it every 30 minutes or so to reset the unit. Can that be changed? Yes, obviously depending on gear reductions and depending on what kind of efficiency generator we have in it. So anyways, that's number one, and then the second one will be to show you actually how it runs when it's a little darker so you can see it. Talk to you guys later.